Show you a thing or two?
That'd be great, Dad.
Rolly, look! I found a stray cat in the castle.
Huh? Sorry, I'm really allergic to...
Allergic?
I can't be around cats or I start to sneeze.
Oh, sorry, Rolly.
Principatio!
Goodness, what was that?
Ugh, this Arctic thing is totally freezing. Could you please deal with the dumb seal so we can go? You psycho ice puppy!
Yes, good idea. Play with Donnie. It will take your mind off the cold.
Still,
What's going on? Debbie, please scoop up Donnie. We've just started filming these two incredible seals, and we might not find any more. Guys? Do these things ever bathe? This cold is simply not cool.
well, my friend Jim made an ice house.
Donnie, who's the most annoying human?
Don't worry, Goddard. Watch this. Oh, Jimmy, you poor baby. You're sick as a dog. You get into bed this minute.
Oh, but Mom, I gotta go to school.
You're not going anywhere.
Is this legal? In some states, depends what you mean by illegal. Let's go. Going. Please give a nice, warm, friendly welcome to Yentl Marmelstein.
Hi. Oh, sorry. I have a cold.
He's going. Achoo! Have a hanky, my pet.
Hi, pal! I'm in beach bug heaven. P.S. Enclosed is a token of my appreciation. Might come in handy next time you want a day off school.